Yeah, is this thing on? No, don't start recording yet. I'm still. Oh, hi. Right, we're live. Welcome to MidSouthCon 41, March 20th to 22nd, 2026. A whole weekend of science fiction, fantasy, gaming, cosplay, and enough geeky goodness to power a starship. Meet our author guest of honor, John G. Hartness, writer, publisher, and professional wrangler of words. Our artist guest of honor, Todd Lockwood, legendary fantasy illustrator and creator of some of the most iconic dragons in the genre. Next up, gaming guest of honor, Trella Bromley, game designer, storyteller, and guide to worlds both known and yet to be discovered. Our science guest of honor, Dr. Sarah Lewis, bringing the spark of real science to your weekend. And the one thing holding it all together on stage, our Toastmaster, Paul Blachek, artist, entertainer, and chaos enthusiast. 5 incredible guests, one amazing weekend, panels, gaming, costumes, dealers, art, and more fandom fun than you can fit into a single dungeon map. Want all the details? Guests, events, registrations, volunteering, it's all waiting for you at MidSouthCon.org. Or skip the typing, just scan the code. Yes, this one right here. Go ahead, we'll wait. MidSouthCon 41. See you in March!